Char Siu Bao. Roast pork dumpling. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 8. You will need 21 ingredients. Step 1. To make the filling, fry the garlic and scallion in 2 tablespoons oil. Add the sauce ingredients. Add the roast pork. Thicken with the starch and water. Step 2. To make the dough, sift the flour with the baking powder. Heat the flour on the table, make a crater in the middle, add sugar, beaten egg white, vinegar, lard, warm water. Mix the ingredients together and knead into a ball. Roll the dough between your palms into a long cylinder of 40 mm diameter cut into 20 pieces. Step 4. Flatten each piece of dough into a disc and add the filling, bring the edges up and gather at the center. Step 5. Put each dumpling on a piece of wax paper and put into a steamer, bring the water to boil, put the steamer over the boiling water, cover and let steam for 10 minutes over high heat. Step 6. Ready to serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.